Welcome to this week's Fleet Cheat Sheet, where we get straight to what matters most in public fleet management. Today, we're looking at how smarter tools are shaping the future of fleet operations, why having the right tool, whether it's a wrench or a software platform, makes all the difference, and how one agency found a better way to manage its fleet by stepping back and looking at the big picture. Fleet management tools are evolving fast. AI-driven diagnostics, predictive telematics, and self-service analytics dashboards are making it easier to catch problems before they happen and optimize vehicle use. The tools available today are smarter and more integrated than ever, but only if fleets are willing to adapt. Sticking with what's familiar might feel safe, but it could mean falling behind. And when it comes to tools, whether you're talking about shop equipment or fleet software, using the wrong one can cost more than just time. The idea that a bigger hammer solves everything doesn't hold up in fleet maintenance. The right tool improves safety, efficiency, and longevity, while the wrong tool leads to unnecessary damage, higher costs, and wasted labor. The same principle applies to fleet technology. A one-size-fits-all solution sounds good in theory, but in practice, it often fails to meet the specific needs of a fleet. This is especially clear in emergency response. When responders need to act fast, cloud-based fleet management solutions provide real-time vehicle tracking, streamlined communication, and better coordination between departments. That kind of instant access to fleet data doesn't just make things easier, it saves lives, reduces liability, and ensures that agencies can respond when it matters most. Taking the time to find the right solution is what made the difference for Wyandotte County. Instead of just patching a problem, they evaluated their fleet needs from the ground up and found a system that improved cost tracking, maintenance efficiency, and vehicle utilization. The takeaway? A short-term fix is rarely the best fix. A strategic approach wins every time. That's your cheat sheet for the week. Stay ahead, stay informed, and don't settle for outdated solutions. See you next time.